We are doing a little bit different style, old-fashioned with tequila instead of bourbon. Bienvenido to another episode of Old Fashioned Fridays. Today we're going to switch it up a little bit because we're going to be celebrating Cinco de Mayo. So we want to say a thank you to Jen from Drink Nova for recommending this place. Today we are at Mariachis, which is located in Old Town Manassas, and we are doing a little bit different style. In celebration of Cinco de Mayo, we have tried a drink here called El Old Fashioned, which is tequila based instead of a bourbon based. You know how this rating goes, 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall, and 0 to 1 on overall ambiance. So first up, we're gonna rate it on appearance. It does not have a single ice cube, and I'm not 100% sure if this is a lime or a lemon, which doesn't matter. This is a Mexican style old fashioned, so we're gonna go ahead and assume that they do not require a single ice cube. So on overall appearance, I'm going to go ahead and give it a 2. And then let's go ahead and do the first sip. That is surprisingly good. I actually prefer margaritas over old fashions, so this is right up my alley. So as far as first sip goes, it's actually very smooth, and I feel like it's easier to drink than old fashioned, so I'm gonna say a 2.5. So while I finish this whole drink, I'm gonna go ahead and rate the ambiance. We are located right in Old Town Manassas, and we're on like the 2 main streets, so it's super cute. It's right next to a train, which the train just went by, so you missed that. The outside seating is awesome. The indoor decor is really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a full 1. So because there is no single ice cube, the cubes will make it get watered down, but it's still really good consistency, and overall I'm liking this, so I'm gonna give it a 2.4, which I think is a 7.9. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. I hope you all get full on chips and guacamole. I hope you go to your favorite Mexican restaurant. Cheers to mariachis.